Julie Hahn, Assistant Superintendent of Student Services, the Rittner School District. I've been in education since 1987, so I've been around for a long time. So the role of Assistant Superintendent of Student Services really focuses on the social, emotional, and behavioral needs of students from early childhood through graduation. But obviously, we want to make sure that we're also connecting with parents, community, and anyone that interacts with our students. I absolutely love my job. I am eligible to retire, but have no interest in retiring because I love my job so much. I love the students. I see the potential in all of our students. We have a great Rittner community. I like the people that I work with, and I love seeing the results long-term when our students graduate and they are successful. It's important to have lots of opportunities to learn and to reach different groups because the needs have changed so much over the years. We have a very diverse school district, and one of the areas where we've seen a lot of change is with the newcomers. Our students who come from primarily Central America speak little to no English, and we realize that there is a huge need for services based on trauma, based on lack of resources that many of them have had. And so reaching out to other organizations to get support, to find more resources than we've been able to provide in our school district has been critical to meet the needs of all of our students in the district. I would say I'm a champion of prevention because I work with many champions. The champions are the counselors, social workers, outside agencies, but most importantly, the students. The students are the champions, and so prevention is very important because unfortunately, with part of my job, I do see some negative outcomes when students get into trouble or get involved with substances and even some criminal activity. So at that point, it becomes a challenge to prevent. So if we don't put the services in place at a very young age, we're really trying to backtrack and try to get the students where they need to be. So I am not a champion, but our students are, and all of the people who support our students, our parents, and the Rittner community. The SPIRIT program is critical to the Rittner School District, and we have seen many different outcomes with the SPIRIT program. Students are able to self-advocate. They're willing to speak up and say, there might be something going on in a home, there might be something going on in a school setting. We've seen reduction in office referrals related to substance use and abuse. So we know that students are taking the information very seriously. They're bringing that information home, and they're keeping it with them throughout their schooling experience. I want to give a shout out and a thank you to Prevent+Ed, our social workers, counselors, who work tirelessly all the time to support our students and our community. So without all of them, we would not be able to meet all of the needs of our students to help make them successful. So thank you.